everyone, my name is Yani. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 gifts for the resin artist. Now, if you are someone that's starting out with resin or want to start working with resin, this video could be really helpful for you.
First item will be, of course, resin. I'm going to give you a couple of options since not all resins are the same. If the gift is for a jewelry maker, then this resin is for you. It is called Liquid Diamonds from the company The Epoxy Resin Store, and as the name says, it's crystal clear with no bubbles, which is perfect for casting. This one is thinner than the others, and that's why it's great for jewelry. It is VOC free and the price is $35, but with my coupon code you can get it for $28. If you're buying for the artist that likes to cast big pieces, the perfect resin is Clear Cast 7000. It cures really fast, crystal clear, and rock hard. Price is $34, and with my coupon code it will be $27.20. And for the artists working with alcohol inks and coating their paintings with resins, the all-purpose is awesome. This resin is very thick, works great with pigments, and it domes beautifully. This one's my favorite, and the price is $33 with my coupon code $26.40. Next item is pigments. There are different ways to color your resin, and one of them is with alcohol inks. These are from the Jacquard brand and they are called Piñata. They come in 26 different colors and they will color your resin and it will remain transparent. You can also use opaque pigments. This will give a solid color to your resin, and you can combine them with alcohol inks. Another great option is powder pigments. These are called Pearl X, also from Jacquard, and they will give a beautiful pearl effect to your resin. When working with resin, it is very important to be organized since resin has relatively short working time. You need your supplies to be accessible. Not only these acrylic shelves help me have everything handy, but they make my studio look very stylish as well. These are very high quality shelves from the company Pretty Display, and you can use them for many other things like spices, makeup, nail polishes, and just to display art. There will be a coupon code for a 10% off, so you can save on these cuties. Now let's talk about the heat gun. Every resin artist should have one of these. This little item will blow hot air into your resin, popping up the bubbles and also creating certain effects. For example, I like to use it on my ocean paintings because it helps the alcohol inks react with the pigment and that way create cells. Everything silicone. Resin will stick to almost anything but not to silicone. I like to use these little spatulas to mix my resin, and that way I minimize expenses and waste. There are also mixing cups made out of silicone in a variety of molds as well. And these are some items that a resin artist will also be very happy to receive these holidays. Mixing cups, jars, mini cups, mixing sticks, and these mixing cups that can be reused if you let the resin cure inside. If you squeeze the cup, you can take the cured resin out and then you can use the cup again. Safety is also very important. If you're using toxic or non-toxic resin, you should always protect yourself. I use a mask from 3M to protect myself from the fumes, and I also use gloves to protect my skin.
I hope you find this video helpful. All the links will be in the description box along with the coupon codes. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the bell to receive notifications of new videos. Happy holidays, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!